Hi, and welcome to the next topic of this module. In this topic, we will set up software for Mac OS. Now, if you are using a Linux operating system, then please skip this topic and directly go to the next topic, because this topic is only for the learners who are using Mac OS. So in this topic, we will download Java. Now to set up Java in your operating system, you need to download JDK. Well, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So to run Eclipse in your system, you need to download and install this JDK. So let's get started. Now, just below the video, you will find a link from where we need to download JDK. So just copy that link and paste it in your browser and hit enter. You will land on this page. Just make sure this Downloads tab is selected and then click on this Java icon over here. Scroll down a little bit. Here you will find the latest Java version ready for download. Now depending on the time you are watching this video, the Java version might vary. But please don't worry about it. Downloading different Java version won't affect our training objective. So just accept the license agreement. And here you will find two download options for Mac OS. Among these two, we need to download this DMG version. So make sure you download this DMG file, not the other file. So just click on it and your download will start. Just wait for the download to complete. And once your download completes, move to the next video where we will complete the installation process.